So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please?
She believed that I could make something good.
उनको प्राउड फील हो दुनिया में क्या पूरे देश में क्या पूरी दुनिया में उनके लिए बहुत कुछ करना चाहती हूँ.
Hope of parents is just not a topic, is not just a normal topic. It is a emotional and feeling topic. Parents act as a shield and support for their children.
So the parents are the not only the part of our life, they are the reason of our life.
Please. Today, we are present here not for any kind of joke, not for any kind of serious topic. That is very emotional kind of topic for few of them, and that's very funny topic for few of them. Because the topic is that the hope of parents from us. Do you all know what is the role of parents in our life? Especially the role of a father and the role of a mother. If you will be dividing it, that's very difficult to analyze. Now, let's talk about something beautiful lines I would like to say about the mother. Do you know what's the weight or what's the pressure that a mother has to tolerate during the birth of a baby? That is just more than the pressure of an elephant. And if it will be having on a common people, then definitely he or she will die. But do you know there is a hope of your parents that if the child will come in this world, he will or she will do something for me, or he or she will do something for this nation, for this country, even each of and everything. But so, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Ayushi. For Miss Ayushi. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ayushi Pandey. Today I'm standing here in front of you to speak on the topic which is very close to my heart, hope of parents. When I was a child, I didn't really understand the meaning of hope and expectations because my mom never really showed expectations. When I was a child, I only knew that if I get good marks, I get some reward. But slowly, as I grew up, I started understanding her silent expectation towards me. When I was in 10th standard, I managed to score good marks. Everyone congratulated me, but what touched me the most was the sparkle in her eyes. Makes me work even more harder. In 10th standard, I managed to get decent marks without coaching. At that time, my mom started believing that if I could do this on my own without coaching, even if I work more harder, then I will be achieve something good. But there is a huge difference in the board exams and a competitive exam. And in competitive exam, I lacked somewhere and I couldn't make it. And the disappointment I see in her eyes makes me broke and shattered. I started feeling that at that time my health was also destroying. I only started feeling that I make her suffer along with me in every genre of my life. But even when I started losing hope in myself, she never lost faith in me. She believed that I could make something good. She only hopes for me to become an independent person who is kind, humble and strong.
Now, let's move towards our next contestant I would like to call. So please, ladies and gentlemen, can you please give me a suggestion on public demand, whom should I call? Okay, cameraman, focus there. So who would like to come next? You would like to come. Okay, what's your name? Shivani. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Shivani to please come forward on the stage.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Shivani Kushwaha. I am from Panna. I am here to speak about hope of parents. I don't know about other parents, their behavior, but I know about my parents. They never told me like you should doctoring, you should engineering. They will never told me. When I told him Like Papa, I want to do engineering. Papa, I want to do CLAT. Papa, I want to do engineering from distance college. They never force me. Even when I will up down, my past is very difficult, like exam, up downs in exam. But my father and mother always support me. I can't express my parents' hope. My parents is world's best parents, and I can't express कि वो मेरे से कितना प्यार करते हैं. एंड शायद मैं इतना एक्सप्रेस कभी नहीं कर पाऊँगी, ना उनसे कभी बोल पाऊँगी कि मैं उनसे इतना प्यार करती हूँ या फिर. लेकिन हाँ, उनके लिए मैं अपनी लाइफ में बहुत आगे जाऊँगी एंड उनके लिए वो सब करूँगी वो जो उनको प्राउड फील हो. दुनिया में क्या, पूरे देश में क्या, पूरी दुनिया में उनके लिए बहुत कुछ करना चाहती हूँ.
So please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and have a big clap for him. He's sitting there.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anshan Pandey and my topic is hope of parents. Hope of parents is an emotion for parents that we do in our life, the good thing we do in life, and parents are happy to see that we are working good and respect everyone and giving happiness to him, and in future we give him lots of facilities, happiness and proud feeling emotion. A hope of parents is not that we score 100 out of 100 in exam and pass in interview of UPSC, ICSC, and the hope of parents is a very hard emotion of parents, and they are supporting us to ahead in life, and thank you.
Okay, so now ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to give an opportunity to him to please at least speak something about.
Good morning, all of you, respected sir, and all my dear friends. My name is Mahendra Jaiswal, and today I want to here speak about very important and the selfless and the powerful relationship in our life. Our parents, the hope of our parents. So what is the exact meaning of our parents and the hope of our parents in our life? So as we know that the time we born, जब भी हम पैदा होते हैं, that the person who is the stand for us first time, and they are our parents. They stand for us. They become the first biggest supporter for us. They hold our hands and teaches us how to walk, how to learn, how to teach, how to speak, and how to face the world. Sometimes they sacrifice many things only for us to just see the smile on our face. They, while we sleeping at night peacefully, they are the person who worrying about for our futures. They don't take sleep like us peacefully. And while we are getting some adult, so they are the person who do everything for us. They provide us struggle very hard and provide us food, education, and better life. They are the person who do too much for us, like and they don't give more expectation from us. They don't need that we are become very big person, or that they don't need for expensive gift from us. They just only need that we are become a only good human being. We are just do and give them respect and give them love and support in while they are growing old. So the parents are the not only the part of our life, they are the reason of our life. And वो कहते हैं कि मतलब जो माता पिता होते हैं, मतलब जैसे रिश्ता होता है तो कोई भी रिश्ता मतलब छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता है, लेकिन ये भी सच है कि मतलब माँ बाप से बड़ा कोई रिश्ता नहीं होता है. तो हम उनके लिए कुछ कर ना सकें, लेकिन हम मतलब कोई ऐसा नहीं कि जैसे मैं आज बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं उनके लिए मतलब कि रिस्पेक्ट करूँ, तो ये सिर्फ कहने में नहीं होना चाहिए. वो जो हमारा डेली बिहेवियर है जो हम उनके साथ करते हैं वो मायने रखता है, और वो जो हम उनको सपोर्ट जो हमें वो आज देते हैं बचपन से लेके अभी तक कि उन्होंने हमें कैसा सपोर्ट किया है। तो एक टाइम ऐसा आता है ना कि जब उनकी एज भी बच्चों जैसे हो जाती है, जब वो बूढ़े हो जाते हैं, तब वो हमारा टाइम है, वो हमारा टर्न है कि हम उनके लिए सपोर्ट बने, सिर्फ दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए नहीं, सिर्फ दूसरों के सामने खड़े होने के लिए नहीं, बट हाँ रियल लाइफ में भी हमें ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए कि उनके लिए हम जब भी उनको हमारी मदद की ज़रूरत हो हम उनके लिए खड़े रहें।
So please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and have a big clap for him.
A very warm greeting, everyone present here. So my name is Naman, and today I am not about here to talk about a hope of parents, but also to make you thought that when have you seen your parents when you sleep peacefully, someone is awake and worrying about your future. Who are they? They are parents. When you feel someone feel more pain than you. Who are they? They are parents. Parents is one who care of us, who want that we shall respect them, we give him proud. But as a student we may be younger, but our responsibility is greater. We can get good marks in exams so that we can proud that our children is. They just not see that what we are today, they see that what we can become tomorrow. Especially if we talk about them, when we say that it's so much expectation, why? So have you ever thought why they take so much expectation for us? Because they believe in us. They believe that we can become better than them, as you know. So that's all about something that parents should have. But at the last, parents should not have. I mean, parents want something from us. We can give small things to the parents like respect them, care them. Parents always care about us, nothing else. They are one who care about us really and honestly. So that's all about this. Thank you.
Let's move towards our teenager, because teenagers are also important for this world, because they will be the only one who will be making us proud. Now, by the way, I am also a teenager. So now let's move towards our next contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, please have a big clap for him.
Good morning everyone. Today I am present here to speak about one topic, hope of parents. Parents are caring and loving people in child's life. When child borns, the parents start dreaming about their children's future. They have many expectations and hope. Their first and most important hope is that their child is stay healthy, safe, and live a happy life. One more expectation is that respect their elders and.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Shalini Kushwaha and my topic is hope is parents. My parents is great parents and my parents is always supported me, and my parents is best parents in the world, and my parents is very simple. Thank you so much. Listen to me.
A short topic, but a deep meaning. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call our next performer on the stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Master Shivam.
So good morning to everyone. Today I am present here to give a speech about hope of parents. First of all, I want to give a speech and give a thought for my parents. For every sacrifices, for every lesson and every bit of unconditional love. Unconditional love. I hope this message you got. My parents are my everything. I just wanted to take a moment to improve ourselves.
Now, next contestant who would like to come.
A very pleasant and good morning to everyone present here. My name is Nancy Sivare. My topic is hope of parents. Parents are the first teacher when provide and guide, always support every situation. My goal is become a person of substance and creators. I want to see Owen fate. We need to respect our parents and our parents want to see successfully. Thank you.
So please, ladies and gentlemen, have a clap for her.
Good morning, respected teacher and all my dear friends. Today I am going to speak the topic hopes of parents. My parents are the best parents in the world. My parents have any hopes for me, and my parents parents always want to have a bright and successful future. So I don't have a down in front of anyone. My parents always want to me see happy, and I always want to my parents happy. They wish that I responsible is the responsible, honest and kind person in my life. My parents biggest belief hopes that my goals achieves and अपने जो भी ड्रीम्स हैं उनको मैं पूरा करूं, उनको खुश रखूं. मेरी लाइफ में जो मतलब मम्मा के बाद मैंने अपने पापा को ही सब कुछ माना है. जब मैं 10 साल की थी मतलब तभी मेरी मम्मा मुझे छोड़ दी थी, और 10 साल के बाद जो भी हूँ मैं सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ अपने पापा की वजह से हूँ. पूरी फैमिली में सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट मेरे पापा का मिला है मुझे. उनके लिए मतलब वो हर थक करके भी मुझे आगे बढ़ाते रहे हैं. गांव वाले घर वाले बोले हैं कि मतलब मत पढ़ाओ, लेकिन मेरे पापा ने मुझे हर वक्त ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया. My parents are not only about my success, but my parents are also about my happiness and well. I feel motivated their hopes, and I feel good. Thank you.
Good morning, respected directors, or honorable teachers, and all dear my friends. My name is Manav Sen. Today I would like to speak about hope of parents, and I will tell you about the role of parents in our lives. Hope of parents is just not a topic, is not just a normal topic. It is a emotional and feeling topic. Parents act as a shield and support for their children. They stand by us in every difficulties, every problems. Parents our first teacher. Parents our first teacher who teach us the difference between right and wrong. They give us the confidence to never give up in the life. People say God could not be everywhere, so He created parents.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anekha Prajapati. Today I am here topic hope for parents. Good morning, everyone. Today I am speak about who most important my parents in our life. My parents are our first teacher to the first role model, biggest role model. They work hard day and night to provide us with a comfortable life. My mother warmth give up encourage me, and my father light my in light my path. The support me to studies in encourage me to follow my dreams. They me teach to how distinguish between wrong and right.
Good morning,
I
ladies
am
and gentlemen. My name is Shalpandi. Today I am tell what hope of my fathers. First of all, my mother's parents says that I should become a good person, respect women, respect elders, respect Indian cultures, and my dear friends. For this I should have thought I will be a agriculture officer and fulfill their hope. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. So now, who would like to come next?
Respected my sir and my dear friends. Today I am speaking the topic of hope of parents. Parents are the most important person of our life. They help us to teach and see us healthy, happy and successful. We can make them proud by study well. Thank you.
So, good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear friend. My name is Vaibhavi Shrestha and today I am going to speak about one of the most important thing in my life. My parents. Parents are the first friends, first teachers and first guides we ever have. Parents teach us how to walk, how to talk and most importantly how to become a good human. Their hopes are that seeing us in good in our career, life and education and to carry forward responsibilities and values of the family. In the conclusion, our parents' expectations are not burden but are the blessings for us. It helps. It reminds us that we are never alone. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I want to speak on the topic hope of parents. I am Akshat Gupta. Thank you to giving me the golden opportunity. So let's come on the topic. As we know, parents are most important person in our life. From the day we are born, they start dreaming about our future. They always hope we will grow up to be good, kind and successful human being. They do not expect big things from us. They just want us to do our best, stay in the right path. That's why they scold and beat us to give good life. आप लोग ने वो तो सुना होगा ना कि घड़े को जितना पीटते हो वो उतना अच्छा सेब लेते हो. तो so you are like a pot and mom and dad are shaping you and giving you good life and become a successful human being. Thank you.
So now, I would like to call our next performer on the stage.
Good morning all of you. Today I am present here to speak our topic
hope of parents. बोलो. Hope of parents. Parents always deep hope and dreams to their children. From the moment a child is born, parents are thinking for a bright future, career, healthy life, career success, and many more.
Please put your hands together for a front bencher student. Now please come forward on the stage. Hold it.
Good morning everyone. My topic is hope of parent. Our parents love us very much. They take care of us every day. They want to be happy and healthy. They also want to be study well and become a good person. They want to success in our life and achieve our goals. Our parent wants we do a good behavior, our seniors and our family members.
Thank you for coming on the stage. Now,
Good morning, teachers and all my friends. Hope of parents. Realize your worth and believe that you are the most important person in the world. अपना मूल्य समझो और विश्वास करो कि तुम संसार के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति हो. क्यों, किसने कहा? ये पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं. अगर हमारे पास दो लाइन होती हैं, अगर नहीं एक अच्छी होती है, एक गलत होती है. हमें चूज़ करना है कि अच्छी लाइन में जाना है कि गलत लाइन में. ये हमारे पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं अगर अच्छी लाइन में जाओगे तो कुछ बन जाओगे, और बन जाओगे तो दुनिया तुम्हें सलाम करेगी. अगर तुम गलत लाइन में जाओगे तो दुनिया के सामने तुम्हें सलाम करना पड़ेगा.
a great thoughts with a deep meaning. Now,
Good morning, all of you. My name is Swati Bagri. I study in class 12th in Banker number 1 school. The topic is hope of the parents. Parents are the first teacher of our life. Their biggest hope is very simple: to see their children happy and successful in their life. Their hope is not only to become a doctor, engineer, and officer, and etc. The real hope is very simple: to become a honest person, and to become a kindful, and say one thought. Every parents are not ungraduate. The ability they possess in part of education.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aryan Kuswaha. I am present here to speak a topic hopes of parents. My parents is a most important people in my life. My parents wish for me a successful life. They want me to become a successful person. And
Good morning all of you. My topic is hope of parents. My parents are first teacher in my life. They always support and guide me. My mother is caring and loving. My father is wise and helpful. They hard work for my family. They teach me to be honest. we enjoy spending time together. I am thankful for my parents every day. Thankful.
Aditi, I would like to give
Hello,
opportunity to
my name is Harshit from Jabalpur. I am 11-year-old. Today I am going to speak on hope of parents. My father name is Mr. Siddharth Chaudhary. My mother name is Mrs. Salka Chaudhary. My parents teach me always speak truth. My parents think I am become a doctor. My parents think me I am a honest person and a topper of class. I obey my parents. Thank you. Thank you for all of us for listening me carefully and patiently.
Good morning, respected director sir and all my dear friends. My name is Dakshita Prajapati and I am from class 6th D. Today I am here to present a speech. The topic is hope of parents. My parents is previous gift of for me. My parents is the best parents in the world. I love my parents. I always see that my parents happy. Without parents, the life is not perfect. So that's why respect our parents. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Isa and I study in class 11th. My topic is hope of parents. When we are born, we don't have nothing, no names, no identify and no dreams. But parents had already that one thing, that is hope. Our father is working hard under the burning sunlight, and mother give up her own wishes for their children. So that children get a proper life and can better clothes and books. What is this? This is hope. Thank you so much, everyone.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Trisha Gupta and I am going to speak on a topic, my parents. My parents are the world's best parents. My parents have given me birth. I should respect my parents. My parents always support me and love me, and my parents try to give me the best life, and they encourage me to do my best in my life. My parents are the role model and my best friend. My parents are the first teacher of my life. Thank you for listening to me.
Good morning all of you. My name is Shreya Gupta and I am here to present my views on the topic is my parents. My parents are the most precious gift of God to me. My parents are the most important people in my life. They take care of me and my needs. They support me always. They always teach me to be kind and speak the truth. My parents is very sweet. My parents are the best parents. I should always respect my parents. I will be grateful to my parents. Thank you for listening.
And my dear friends, my name is Swati and I am studying class 8th. So I want to talk about hope of parents. So parents is our first teachers and our best friends. Parents is our first teacher and best friends. They do hard works. They do hard works to see a smile in our face and to live a comfortable lives. And the parents are the biggest supporters in our life, but they truly hope their biggest hope is not just a high score. They hope their students grow up with honest, respectful, good and human beings. Their biggest hope is their children can fulfill their own wishes. But I hope I becomes what I want to, so I can fulfill my parents' wishes, which they could not do. Thank you.